Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create data entry forms in Excel. So first of all, what you have to do is create data. For instance, I will name it as name, phone, address, email, school. So what I will do, I will make some spaces bigger between the boxes. So once I've done that, what I have to do, I have to select these all boxes that I have created, and then I will go to the insert and I will click on the table, and then make sure to select or check mark my table has headers. Click on OK. Now all you have to do is go to the insert once again and right click and click on customize the ribbon. It will open this window. So from here what you have to do is create a new tab. So I will create a new tab and I will rename it as data entry. Hit OK. Now select the new group under the data entry that you have created, and then click on the drop down menu and select commands not in the ribbon. Once selected, drop down or scroll down and find, I will select form and click on add. Once form has been added into my new group, I will click on OK. Now if you see on the upper side, we have a new option called data entry. Now to enter your data, all you have to do is go to the new menu that you have created, which is data entry, and select all of the menus. Once you have selected all of the menus, click on table data entry that you have created, and then select form. You will see a form button. Click on it, and then I will add in Adam, whatever the number, and address is this, and this is my email, and this is my whatever school. And then what I will do, I will click on new button and it will add a new data entry. So I can add as many data as I want and hit the new button. I will click on new, and then what I will do, I will simply click on close button, and that's how you can create data entry forms in Excel. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.